Have you ever heard of Comet Atlas? Back in 2019, astronomers got super excited about this celestial visitor, thinking it might become the brightest comet we'd seen in decades. They even gave it the official name, C2019Y, for Atlas. But there was another object, discovered around the same time by the same survey, that stirred up a different kind of buzz, a much quieter, more mysterious one. That object is 3IATLAS. And while the bright comet faded, this other one has scientists scratching their heads and, dare I say, feeling a little uneasy. So, why are scientists so intrigued and maybe even a little afraid of 3IATLAS? Let's dive in. First off, what's in the name? That I in 3IATLAS stands for Interstellar. This isn't just any chunk of ice and rock from our own solar system. This is a traveler from another star system, a true alien visitor. It's only the third interstellar object we've ever confirmed, right after the famous Oumuamua and Borisov. Think about that for a second. An object that has journeyed through the vast, empty space between stars for millions, maybe even billions of years, has just swung by our neighborhood. It's like a message in a bottle from a distant, unknown shore, and we're trying to read what it says. Unlike its interstellar predecessors, 3IATLAS is behaving strangely. When it was discovered, it was already heading away from the sun, which made it incredibly difficult to study. We only got a brief glimpse, but what we saw was puzzling. The object appeared to be active, like a comet, releasing gas and dust. This is unusual because, by the time we spotted it, it was already far from the sun's heat, which is what typically causes comets to turn on. So, what was causing this activity? This is one of the first big mysteries. Was it made of some super volatile materials that vaporize at much colder temperatures than the water ice in our comets? If so, what are those materials? And what does that tell us about the star system it came from? This unusual activity leads to a fascinating, yet slightly unsettling idea. Some scientists speculate that 3IATLAS might not be a natural comet at all. Now, hold on, we're not jumping straight to little green men, but the idea is that this object could be a fragment of a larger, planet-like body from another solar system. Imagine a distant exoplanet, maybe one rich in nitrogen, getting shattered by a cosmic collision. A chunk of that nitrogen-rich mantle could be sent flying through space. As it travels, it would still release gas, even in the cold depths of interstellar space, which could explain its strange activity so far from our sun. The implications of this are huge. If 3IATLAS is a piece of an exoplanet, it's a direct sample of a planetary body from another star system. It's like a geologist getting a rock from Mars without ever having to send a rover. By studying its composition, we could learn incredible things about how planets form and what they remade of in other corners of the galaxy. It's a tantalizing prospect, but also a humbling one. It reminds us that the universe is constantly sending us clues, but our technology and timing have to be just right to catch them. We missed the best window to study 3IATLAS up close, and that's a source of major scientific frustration. This fragment theory also brings up another point that makes scientists so curious. If it's a piece of a planet, what did the rest of the planet look like? What kind of system did it come from? Was it a violent, unstable system where planets frequently collide? Or was it a mature system that experienced a rare, cataclysmic event? Each interstellar object is a snapshot of its home. Oumuamua was weird and rocky. Borisov looked a lot like our own comets. And 3IATLAS. It's something else entirely, suggesting the variety of planetary systems out there is even wilder than we imagined. It challenges our models of planet formation. Our understanding is based on one data point, our own solar system. These visitors show us that our one example might not be the standard at all. This leads to the fear factor in our title. It's not fear of an alien invasion, but a more intellectual fear. It's the fear of the unknown and the fear of being wrong. Every time an object like 3IATLAS appears and breaks our models, it shows us just how much we don't know. It's a humbling reminder that our neat and tidy theories about the cosmos might be just a small part of a much bigger, more complex picture. For a scientist, having your foundational theories challenged is both terrifying and exhilarating. It's the very engine of discovery. You have to be willing to tear down old ideas to build new, more accurate ones. 3IATLAS is one of those wrecking balls. Furthermore, there's the speed. 3IATLAS was moving incredibly fast on a hyperbolic trajectory that proves it's not bound by our sun's gravity. It came, it saw, and it left, and it's never coming back. This is what makes these objects so precious and so terrifying to miss. We have such a short time to observe them before they disappear back into the interstellar void forever. The frustration of seeing this unique clue to the universe's secrets fly past without being able to study it in detail is immense. It fuels the drive to build better telescopes and faster reacting observation systems, like the upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory, which will scan the entire sky every few nights. The hope is that we can find the next interstellar visitor much earlier. Think about the sheer scale of this journey. For an object to travel from another star to our sun, it has to traverse trillions of miles of empty, cold space. The fact that anything survives this journey is remarkable. The fact that it arrives still showing signs of activity is mind-boggling. It forces us to reconsider what we thought was possible. The fear is really a profound sense of awe and a recognition of our own limitations in the face of the universe's grandeur. We are just beginning to peek outside our own cosmic backyard, and we're finding that the universe is weirder, more diverse, and more mysterious than we ever could have imagined. So, 3IATLAS isn't scary because it poses a threat. It's scary because it represents a major puzzle that challenges our fundamental understanding of planetary science. It's a ghost from a faraway star system that whispered a secret as it flew by, a secret we only partially heard. It's the one that got away, but it has also ignited a new fire in the astronomical community, a renewed urgency to hunt for these interstellar messengers. They are the key to understanding our place in the cosmos, and the next one could be just around the corner. What do you think? Could 3IATLAS really be a piece of a shattered alien world? Let me know your theories down in the comments. It's a fascinating topic to think about. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. See you next time.